This is one of the most vital and isolated supply chains on Earth, moving a constant stream of mainland goods across the Pacific to Hawaii. This estimate represents the total annual revenue for less than truckload shipping to the islands. At $3.4 billion, it's a massive addressable market. Despite that scale, smaller third-party logistics providers, or 3PLs, struggle to capture a meaningful share of this specific volume. While these 3PLs have access to the same ships and trucks as everyone else, they are stopped by a digital bottleneck that keeps the highest profits out of reach. The market is currently dominated by giant national carriers. FedEx Freight alone accounts for an estimated $950 million of that Hawaii revenue. Old Dominion follows with $780 million, and XPL holds roughly $500 million. These networks control the vast majority of the island's freight. To protect their margins from 3PL competition, these carriers often route Hawaii pricing through a manual review step. When a broker submits a quote on a portal, the automated system stops and the screen displays a message. A representative will contact you shortly. This delay interrupts the buying moment. While the 3PL waits for an email back, the shipper often loses interest or finds a faster option elsewhere. By forcing island shipping into this manual queue, major carriers use quoting friction to freeze out the smaller, more agile providers who would otherwise win on speed. To maintain their price point, carriers package Hawaii shipping as a premium, seamless door-to-door retail service. The operational reality is a gateway to island consolidation flow. Mainland routes converge at a single coastal port, where cargo is packed together for the ocean crossing. This allows carriers to run a wholesale backend while charging 3PLs a high retail markup for the convenience of a single, opaque price tag. 3PLs stay trapped in this model because their rating portals only show that final retail number, hiding the underlying economics of the port move. As long as they remain blind to these gateway mechanics, they are forced to act as low-margin middlemen rather than strategic logistics providers. Reclaiming those margins requires a different approach to technology, the GRG Hawaii Rater. This rater splits the journey. It calculates the mainland leg directly to the gateway port, securing a domestic wholesale rate that bypasses the carrier's retail markup. It then automatically adds a separate ocean consolidation calculation to complete the shipment. By automating both wholesale steps, the system generates a firm, accurate quote in 90 seconds, bypassing the manual review queue entirely. Accessing these underlying lane economics transforms a difficult, low-margin lane into a high-margin asset that the 3PL controls. That speed enables a more aggressive sales workflow. Shippers receive an instant, professional quote branded with the 18-day Hawaii dividend promise. The email includes a Let's Do It button, designed to turn a static price into an immediate booking. Clicking that button auto-populates all shipper details, which removes the need for manual data entry by the 3PL customer service team. Behind the scenes, the system copies the sales manager on every reply, providing real-time visibility for CRM tracking and conversion coaching. By linking the 90-second quote to a one-click booking response, the platform acts as a quote-to-close accelerator, removing the delays that normally kill a shipment in the cradle. Competing against the giant national carriers does not require matching their fleet of trucks or their physical infrastructure. In this sector, the battle is won by defeating quoting friction. Being easier to do business with allows a smaller provider to capture share from the giants. With instant rating technology, 3PLs can stop accepting a carrier's retail price as the only option. They can start structuring their own gateway routes, controlling their own margins, and capturing their piece of a $3.4 billion market.